In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Steam CAPTCHA not working or to fix the CAPTCHA error on Steam. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So if in any case you're trying to recover your account and there's a CAPTCHA right here, so let's try and refresh. So when I click this, I'm not a robot CAPTCHA, it automatically checks. But if in your case you need to select some images and it's not working, what you want to do is to click on the headphones icon to just simply type what you hear. So if that still doesn't work and you still get an error, what you want to do is go to your Google Chrome settings. So just click on the three dots icon right here and click on settings. From here, click on privacy and security and click on clear browsing data. Now from here, what you want to do is to simply just check this cached image and files and just simply click on clear data. So this will delete all of the cache files from your browser that may uh, cause this CAPTCHA problem. So I hope this fixes your CAPTCHA problem. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.